Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader, you're watching live stream. Today is 7th February, New York session, high impact news, NFP, and we are live, baby, live. I hope everybody is doing fine and they made profits yesterday. Live during stream, we made around 270 pips on gold. Looks like today we are in for another kill. Let's see how much we can make today. Just as usual, back-to-back profits. Before I move forward, please like, subscribe and share this channel. I'm looking forward to making 400 subscribers today. So help me reach that goal. Subscribe if you haven't. Without wasting any time, let's move forward to what we have to do today. First thing first, we are just gonna trade two instruments, nothing more than that. Anything that is achievable, we will use it. My main focus right now is Bitcoin and gold, but gold has to wait for the high impact news. As soon as the high impact news comes, we will take the opportunity and strike it. But until then, we will wait for the time to strike. First, and let's move to gold. Gold is near all-time high and is showing signs of a drop. Yesterday dropped on high impact news just around the corner. Similarly, today I'm seeing the same pattern. It seems like on news gold can drop, and after a certain drop it will either continue the drop or it will hold on to that level. This was the previous last trend line, and if we look at this trend line, it seems like it was holding it off quite well. But given that with yesterday's approach, we have a shift in the trend line. Now the trend line is marked here, so there is a slight bit of change in narrative, but overall the situation is the same. And let's quickly dive into the 4 hourly, the 1 hourly Elliott wave. Elliott wave looks exactly as we thought, and then we're gonna swiftly look, the gold is dropping on a 1 hourly. This is the drop I was talking about. If it drops further down below 2780, we are in for a big drop. But before that, the gold has to make its way to 2840, 2820 and 2810. Beyond that, we can say it's a sell-off. And right now you can get in a nice sell position, but given that we have lots of scenarios today, pump and a dump and a dump and a dump, or a pump and a dump and a pump and a dump and nothing. There are 4 to 5 case scenarios, but let's stick to one of them. Here's the New York. New York just opened 6 minutes ago. We are diving down deep in the New York session. It looks interesting, intriguing. Let's see how much we can bag in today. But whatever happens, stick to your plan. Stick to the plan. For me, it seems like it's gonna be a huge drop or a huge pump. I don't know, but stick with the plan. Watch out for the matrix. Matrix might try to take your move, but we have to follow the price. And how we will follow the price? We will look at what's happening on gold. At the same time, we will look at what's happening at the Nasdaq. Now, given that Nasdaq is currently doing nothing, it's not a drop. If Nasdaq 100 breaks above 21,800, definitely Bitcoin is gonna move up. But given that gold is in an area where it seems like it will either drop or pump, But given that today we have NFP and we have to look at the NFP numbers too. Let me wake up the neighborhood. I will do the analysis after 5 minutes. Those 5 minutes seems a lot, but it's worth the while. Let's quickly get ready for the news. I don't know, mostly people will try to avoid trading today, given that I wasn't streaming from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I streamed yesterday a little bit. I felt better, so I came to stream, but majority of the people, they are still not comfortable trading, given the fact that for the past couple of days it was really rough for them. Bitcoin looks like it's pumping up, not looks like, it's definitely progressing upwards, because Nasdaq is in recovery mood, and we will see a retracement. My dear friend Rehman, he updated with me with what you call China. He brought some update from China. Sorry, regarding China. What the hell? I'm too much. China is currently buying gold. They are building up reserve, and it's happening sooner. I thought it's gonna take some time. But just at the start of the first quarter, they are at it again. Last year we saw China buying gold at various prices, triggered a FOMO buying rally, and it seems like that is happening all over again. Now the thing over here, which is really important to understand, is that majority of the time when a certain market is, a certain country I would say, is FOMO buying, you have to be really assertive that what you are doing is going to impact your portfolio or not. China doesn't care about the demand and supply. They're just going to buy, even if it pumps or it dumps, it doesn't matter to them. They will keep on buying. And that's the scary part. Nobody cares unless it actually breaks a certain all-time high. But now gold needs a reset, which is expected to be around 2830. This is where yesterday dropped down, this level 2630. Now I'm trying to do a sniper sell entry on gold. For that sniper setup, there are certain things that I have to keep in my mind. But guess what? If you want to know it, join the premium. Nothing is free now. But I will give you hints. I will mess with your head, because I want to see. I've been streaming for such a long time. I also want to see what people are learning, or are they even learning anything or not. And the only way to confirm that is by testing them. Now, since it's NFP, people aren't actually even here, but it's alright, we'll wait. They might be. They're either trading today or they're avoiding. 17 minutes left. NFP is expected to be lower. Now those of you who have traded NFP in the past, they know exactly that if it's expected to be lower and it actually comes in higher, it's gonna act like a rocket is gonna add up fuel to the fire. But what actually is the other way around. If the data comes in higher, gold is in trouble. If it is coming lower, gold is gonna boost up. But there are several things that you have to keep in mind. I saw interconnected. Let's wait and watch. Yeah, here comes the drop. This correction is really, I'll switch to Elliott wave because this is the best way to educate you guys, educate you of the dangers that is the danger which is lurking around the corner. This drop is gonna be huge. It's gonna be a huge drop. 2700 is possible, but the question is how we gonna achieve it. We gonna achieve it peacefully or we gonna achieve it forcefully? 15 minutes left for the data. Well, it's just one of those days where there are less people to watch. Well, it sums up that how many people are actually serious. Well, in either cases, it doesn't matter. Because by the time people will realize what happened, we'll be gone with our profits. Because we are not here for everybody, we are here for specific people. And here's the drop. I expect the drop. The data is expected to be lower, okay? But if it comes in higher, then definitely a drop is expected. So my bet is nah, this is just for the reviews. But there's not just one thing, there are several things. We have unemployment rate too. If unemployment rate comes in higher, definitely is gonna create a lot of problem. Because we have to look at two things, non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Unemployment rate is currently at 4.1. Non-farm payroll last time it was 256. This time is expected to be 169. If both of them are higher, then definitely gold will drop down. If one of them is higher, the other one is the same or lower, then is going to be a mixed data. So surely my bet is on higher, that the data is gonna come in higher. So this is what's gonna happen, a drop. How far I don't know, but definitely looking forward to a drop. This drop is gonna do wonders. Now I need you guys to actually wake up. Okay, wake up, wake up. People are, I don't even know where people are. So here's the thing, let's talk about the entire, I know even the guys in the premium group, from the premium groups, they are watching. So this is for you guys. I send you a lots of signal, try to stick one of them. Okay, at least one of them. If you guys are not confident enough, make sure that the signals which I provided for Forex, let them run, they're not gonna be effective. Besides that, the signal for Bitcoin, let them run too. Bitcoin is something that you cannot afford to close, because this thing, if it breaks above 100k, is gonna lift off, because it's NFP, right? Because Nasdaq 100, if you remembered, I gave you guys the signal, and we even rebought around this zone. I forgot to update that we hit the, let me update quickly. I forgot to update where we hit all the TPs. We hit all right. One. Wait. Yeah, we hit all TPs. Let me update it. So I'm so busy, I don't even have time, man. Okay, so after hitting all our TP areas, take profit areas, if this thing drops down on news and start pumping up, don't be surprised. Bitcoin is gonna do exactly the same. And if something like this happens on Bitcoin, then the pump is gonna throw this thing above 100k. But at least I expect a pump. I don't expect a drop. I think a pump and a dump. Now I know a lot of people won't agree with me, but exactly that's what I think is gonna happen. Let me just quickly Russian missile attacks Ukraine. Just hold on. Hold on a second, just give me a moment. I'm writing down something. So here's how everything's gonna work out today. In 7 minutes, the NFP is gonna be out. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, Brandley, dime. You guys suddenly popped up. Okay, first thing first. We have 5 minutes left, alright? And in this 5 minutes, the first thing you need to do is open a sell, put a stop loss, and prepare yourself mentally that if the trade goes, hit your stop loss and come back down, okay, it's all right, you can survive it. Okay, secondly is you wait for the news, okay, and whatever happens you take the trade afterwards. The third plan is you do nothing. So here's how it's gonna first turn out. First you have to, hey, what's your view on NFP? NFP I think will be higher, because the fact that it's actually showing that the NFP number is going to be lower is, something suspicious. NFP has always been higher. How much you risking, bro? It's not your never share your financial details with anybody. I risk the amount of money that I can afford to lose. I don't put all my eggs in the same basket. But for your information, yesterday we were on a sell. Okay, that signal was given in the premium group, and even the people who are watching YouTube, they were on that sell with me, and I gave hint to sell, and we made the profit and we took the trade around here. Watch my yesterday stream, same time around over here we took the sell. Before I took this sell on the stream, right, like just 5 minutes, 2 minutes before the unemployment claims, and it just dropped down. So yet again this was our sniper entry. Today too I'm gonna do the exact same. Yes, I have a nice heart, but try to be fast, because if you are not fast you will miss it. So be attentive, because you have a really narrow time. My views on NFP is gonna be bearish for gold. It's gonna be a dump and a pump. It will drop down to a certain area. Okay, let's suppose 28, 30, 34, and if just like yesterday, if there is a rejection, then of course it will carry on with the upward momentum. But if it is able to break past 38, 28, 35, then a huge correction is imminent, just like the elite wave purpose. and then after this correction, of course, the upward momentum. But this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a breakup of this support area, and of course higher. I'm expecting this, and this is why I'm already on a sell from this area, and my sell is just around the corner over here. I took over here during London session. All right, just right now I'm opening layers of sell. Of course, my stop loss is the amount of money that I can afford to lose. Again, I'm saying there are several scenarios. Scenario number one is pump and dump. Scenario number two, nothing pumps or dumps. Or third scenario is dump straight, or it's like pump. Damn, there are 5 scenarios. Third is dump and pump. So these are the 5 scenarios. All right, first 2 scenarios we are all familiar with. It just instantly pumps or instantly dumps. All right, the scenario that you need to be careful, and which is highly what do you say, it happens majority of the time, is the scenario number 1 and 2. Majority of the time these first 2 scenario happens. It pumps and it dumps, or second is nothing happens and it dumps or pumps. And the last scenario, first, second and fifth scenario is you have to be careful of. And the way it looks like, I think, is gonna be a pump and a dump. So if you are not in a sell, no need to FOMO. Wait for the news. 1 minute left. Let the news come out. Let the market digest the news. All right, then act accordingly. And that's how it is. Let me switch to the news channel. Just 2 minutes left. The news is out. Here is the dollar index is down, baby. Here it comes. Bitcoin is pumping, gold is pumping. It's just as I said, this is a pump and a dump situation. Okay, if you have a sell order limit over here, good. It was gonna dump. Okay, here comes the drop. Stay calm. No, don't panic. It's gonna take some time. Okay, here comes the drop. Here comes the dump. It's a sell off, guys. It's a sell off. It's a sell off for gold. Dollar index is pumping. It's a sell off on gold. Start selling gold. Listen, by the time I say it's gonna be too late, just start selling gold. But do you see the drag and pull? Dollar index is pumping way much harder. Oh, this is too much pump. Okay, so the data is out. Where is the data? The numbers are coming in slowly. It's taking time. Okay, here it is. Okay, so basically the data is lower. Unemployment rate is 4.0. Non-farm employment change is 143%. If it's lower, okay, if the data is lower, it should be bullish for gold, right? So why the hell is gold is dropping? So this is what happens. Call it market manipulation or whatever you want. Hourly wage is 0.5, non-farm is 143, forecast was 169, is lower, okay, and unemployment rate is lower. Gold should push up, but it's dropping down. So this means that this is a technical push. This is not the first time I've seen this happen. Majority of the times when the data is bullish, it drops. In the past, this has happened. If I recall it correctly, let me open my chart. The other one. Here it is. Just around this corner, the entire data, PPI, CPI, it was bearish, but it just kept on pumping. Now the data is bullish for gold and is dropping down. So it's a sell-off. And yeah, just wait for it. Just wait for it. We have to see if gold is able to break below this, or if it runs out of juice, we will buy in. But so it pumped and dumped. It pumped and it dumped. Now all we have to do is wait at a certain area where it will stop dropping and we will exactly enter. Let's take a look at what's happening in Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumped and now it seems like it's pumping. We will look at Nasdaq. Nothing changed. It's just doing a small retracement, then it will carry on it with the upward momentum. Coming back at gold, there's a strong trend line around this area and a Fibo golden area starting at 28.53. If it bounces back from this range, which is has, because this is where it dropped down, now we are seeing a bounce back. So right now it's not that huge pump or drop that we were all expecting for. This is something new traders should stay away, because they will get burned. Even average and veteran traders, they have a hard time trading in a market. Look at the way the dollar index is behaving. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this candle. You guys can't even see what I see. See this wick? See this wick? It's just insane, right? Just wait for it. I think a drop off is expected, but anything can happen right now. My bet is the market is just liquidating buyers and sellers equally, because the data is bullish and gold dropped. So there is something happening on a larger scale. Unemployment rate is lower. It dropped down from 4.1 to 4%, which is really good. That means that Fed is achieving its 2% inflation rate. It was 10% in COVID. It was a few months back. It was like 5.1. Now it's slowly starting to drop down. So when it drops down, it's bad news for gold. Then gold is starting drop, because the only point of buying gold is a safe haven asset. If the interest rate is going down and inflation is going down, it's better to hold a 30-year 20-year bond yield, because that's more beneficiary. You earn dividend over it. In short, you get paid. You're getting paid on the money you invest, plus you make profit when you sell it. Now this is what is happening on Bitcoin. Is going up. It supposedly it will go up. This news is really, right now on my screen I'm staring at 15-minute dollar index, and it's like this. 15-minute gold is like this. Alright, even Bitcoin 15-minute is like this. Nothing. I haven't seen this something like this in my years of trading. This is something which is which happened for the first time. But my bet on Bitcoin is bullish. One thing I'm sure is that Bitcoin is bullish. Bitcoin is gonna go up now. I need, one thing. Whatever happens in a market like this, soon the sell is, shaken off, and it's like just buy. It's like everything is too cheap, buddy. Just keep on buying before it's too late. Given that the fact that Bitcoin is, priced in at less than $100,000 is cheap, I think, and it will attract a lot of buyers. So definitely buy more around this area, because right now because it hasn't dropped, right? So what's gonna happen now is that it's gonna continue on with the upward momentum. No need to worry about anything. The hard part was the NFP. Now we have to wait for the stock market, and yeah, that's it. The hard part is over. Give it some time, gold will drop. As for now, the only thing I can say is Bitcoin is pumping. So our money is on the Bitcoin. I'm moving to my second screen, especially designed for Bitcoin. Just all eyes are on the stock market now. New York Stock Exchange, that's gonna open after 50 minutes. All eyes on that, and it's gonna be really interesting. I need you guys to wake up, go grab a coffee, be attentive, because today is gonna be an interesting session. As soon as you see Bitcoin erasing all its losses, you exactly know what you are into now. Here comes the buying pressure on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. All eyes on the stock market. Stock market is gonna open after 44 minutes. So all eyes on that. Oh, so the NFP is bullish for gold, but it's nothing is happening right now. This is why I focus on gold, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is gonna make you money today. Bitcoin, this is our trade. Let me Yep. Stop loss. Yeah, around here. But it's, it's down break even. It was there, but now it's on break even. It's free money. I don't understand. Some people are watching NFP. They should be worried about their profits. Instead, they're like, how much you're risking. My risk is different from yours. You should only put the money you can afford to lose. My profits are my profits. Your profits are your profit. Never. I have seen people, they become cocky. They put extra. Try to remember, you are trading. You're not in Las Vegas, okay? This is not a casino. It's a market. And always worry about yourself, not others. Focus on yourself and your goals. And then you will see the result. This is a genuine advice. No need to, take it personal. The more you're gonna focus on yourself, your goals, you're gonna achieve them. Don't waste your energy on other people. Worry about yourself, your future. Okay, gold is starting to drop now, but the question is, will people actually buy in that drop or not? I will wait. I'm on a buy on Bitcoin. I'm chilled, relaxed, not bothered about it. So it's not hard to trade today. It's just like it takes lots of practice, and with practice and persistence, and of course lots of, in a nice environment, to be honest, you can achieve everything. As for now, Bitcoin is going up, gold is coming down slowly. So yeah, wait for it. I think Bitcoin will break above 98 and will head towards 100k. And we are here live streaming, so whatever happens, we are gonna face it together. Let me post the guys, join the Telegram group. Is absolutely free. Why are you guys not in the Telegram group? Join the Discord community. and all the signal services, Discord Alpha, everything is out there. Check it on Linktree. I will put all the detail at one place as of now. Yes, I am, due to the work pressure, I'm really messy right now, but I will make up time for everything. Right now everything is messed up because I'm doing all the job by myself. Anyways, give me a moment, give me at least 10 minutes so I can quickly answer the questions of everybody starting from Discord and everything. Okay, stay here, watch the stream. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is exactly how the market is looking like. Let me switch the screen. You know what, I'm gonna have to actually, because I have to talk about gold. So coming back on gold, there is how the gold is. The data was lower, but it's acting like it's the way it's supposed to be when it's higher. So this is how the market fucks with your head. Now the price will keep on dropping, and if it keeps on, if it breaks below 2860, then definitely is heading towards 2830 area. I think that there's a huge sell-off coming due to the fact that we haven't seen a big retracement like this. The last time it was near all-time high, and this is the screen where I do all my weekly analysis. I share this screen, so looking at this right now, it should make sense that just around the corner at 2780, I was saying that this was all-time high, and if and before that near the area of 2700, I said if it breaks above this zone, FOMO buying will happen, and anything that happens then will be strictly noticeable. Right now this is the new trend line, and if this line is able to hold, then definitely is gonna go up much higher. But this is the first for daily. We have a daily, what do you call, if anybody is a price action trader, previous day on unemployment it closed in bearish, so definitely today is gonna close in somewhere around 820 or 44. So selling near this area, if you are somebody who's a swing trader, then selling this trade and carrying it onto to the next week is gonna make you quite profitable. Going back to Bitcoin is pumping. It just recently broke off 98,000 range, and as I said, as soon as it break 98,000, it's gonna head towards 100k range, and if 100k ranges breaks, it's gonna head towards 103. And it seems like nothing is stopping Bitcoin, and it's definitely moving forward. All we can do is, if you are on a buy, finger crossed, put your stop loss at break even and let it run. Bitcoin is dropping, gold is dropping, so everything is going according to our plan. Everybody is in profits, and that's all that matters. If you are in a profits, hit the like button, guys. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's head on. Let me fuck. Let me. Always have to share. Always share your success, so the haters, if their asses burn more, and the people who are looking for you have to be the light, you have to be the beacon to guide the other people, the people who are in the darkness, the people who don't believe themselves. You have to guide them into the light. And if they don't want to leave the darkness, then you have to be the darkness. You have to be the dark knight then. In both cases, you have to do what's necessary to take them out. Anyways, let's not go dark If you are new to the channel, guys, welcome to the stream. We just made profits right now on the NFP, and how we did that was just right before the news. I gave 5 scenarios and I said in the end that 3 possible scenarios gonna happen: a dump and a pump, and a pump and a dump, or nothing and dump or pump. And it pumped and it dumped, and we had our sell running at 26,868, and I even told guys to put sell limit around here. And it just pumped and it dropped down. We made quick scalps. Plus right now when it went up again, there were individuals who took the sell re-entry again, and now it's dropping down, going back to Bitcoin. Just before the half an hour before the NFP, right around the corner over here, I told on the live stream for my YouTube subscribers to enter on a buy around this area, golden Fibonacci zone, and they did. And right around the corner when the news got released, it dropped down a little bit, triggering their buy limits, and they are in profits right now. I'm suggesting them to let this trade run on break even. I'm on break even. All my premium members in the signal groups, they are in profit. They are running their trades in profits. Some of them they took profits, partial profits, and all their trades are on break even. We are making money like we do always by the grace of Almighty. And even my subscribers who watch the stream daily, they take some time out. Everybody wins. So what are you waiting for? Be part of the Pro Wolf Trader community. All you have to do is join the free Telegram group and Discord and stay updated whenever I go live or post any videos. That's it. And if you want to take your trading on the next level, then of course you can join the Signal. Take the Signal subscription. But if you don't want to, you can make plenty of money just by watching my stream. So stay tuned, like this stream, subscribe the channel. We are almost 400 subscribers, so it's a big achievement. I've been streaming live for the past 4 or 5 months. It's been 5 months already, and it's a big achievement. Anyways, gold is dropping down. Let me switch to gold. And live stream is just restricted to Bitcoin and gold. Everything else, crude oil, S&P 500, Forex, and lots of other, they are covered in the the paid signal group. And if you want to make serious money, join the dark side. Anyways, this is how it looks like. Gold analysis is on point. Let it drop. We are in profits. Let the profits run. If you have any questions, guys, like me up, subscribe the channel. And I know people are watching late. Again, I'm saying again over and over again, on as soon as the NFP. And yeah, let's talk about the NFP. The NFP, here's the NFP number. I have to educate you guys too, so you exactly know what's happening today, so you don't get misguided. Okay, first things first, this is the NFP number. All right, let me enlarge it. Now, for those who don't understand what's actually happening is, yes, you are right, the data is bullish for gold. Okay, there are 2 things you have to look for. First of all is the unemployment rate. Unemployment rate was forecasted 4.1. It came in lower. All right, non-farm payroll was expected to be 169. It came in lower. Both of these lower data is bullish for gold, but gold is dropping. Now you should be asking what is happening. When the gold is price, it's not the data, it's the price where the gold is currently standing. In the past, I showed this several times. This was way back in December, alright, December 2024. All the data that was coming in during this time, it was bearish for gold. Gold was supposed to drop down, but it just kept on pumping up. Why? Because China was buying. And this FOMO buying was the reason it went up. And as soon as the Thursday and Friday was near, just a week before the FOMC, it started dropping off. And as soon as FOMC We got FOMC, after post FOMC started going up, and similar pattern around here last month January. We saw all the data. NFP, it dropped and it started pumping. PPI, CPI, same. It was bearish for gold and it dropped and then it started pumping. And something like similar has happened, but now it's inverse. Now the data is bullish but it's dropping down. So I think this is the end of a bullish era. It will make a huge correction, and that correction is necessary in order for the price to go up. Now the question is how big of a drop this will be. Listen, I'm not posting any analysis of gold for the past 2-3 months because people don't watch it, but all my analysis were on point. This is the new range. Expect gold to drop down to, yeah, I know China is buying gold, but China wants to buy more gold, so they will do something, and this will be a short sell. This drop can happen in a day, at least 4 days it will take. First day drop is going to be somewhere around here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even till Thursday we will see the drop right around the corner, somewhere in between 2700 or 2600 range, and that's where you will start buying. Anybody who is buying right now on this drop will be trying to buy a dropping knife. All right, so if you're buying, I don't know what you're doing, brother, but be really careful. And please guys, just 6 subscriptions away, and then we're gonna be 400 subscribers. It's a big milestone for me. I know it's not a lot, but it's a really big, it's a big thing for me anyways. And Bitcoin is pumping up. You gotta pump it up. Pump. Looking at Bitcoin, yep, I'm pretty much excited because it's finally going the way I expect it to go. Just 24 minutes left for the Nasdaq, or this is New York Stock Exchange to open. And if the market, if Nvidia, if MicroStrategy opens up with a gap upwards, of course Bitcoin will pump more aggressively. So I advise people to trade Bitcoin more than gold, because, and even if those individuals who live in Europe, UK or anywhere else where crypto is not available, please switch to Bitget or Mexc. The link is in the bio. Use my partner code, sign it up, and you will be in a, okay, holy shit, look at the pump. This is daily candle. Let me remove this off. So Thursday and Wednesday intraday candle closing bullish. Right now after the NFP definitely going up, and this is the sideway range. This is a bubble, the deep seek bubble, but if the market is able to shake this thing off, and right now if we just after this an NFP, if we receive any good news from Trump regarding Bitcoin strategic reserve, then we are in for a, and yeah, this is the turning point is around 102. If it goes above 102, then monthly candle will be bullish, and you know what that means. Then it means you gotta pump it up. I'm looking forward to 120. It will hit 120 at the end of this month, in between 130 and 130 till the end of first quarter. It means till the end of this February, Bitcoin will be above 130. In between this, till the end of this month. I know it's crazy, right? But Bitcoin is above 70,000 is already so fucking crazy. Come on guys, 400 subscribers, let's go! How much time is left for the stock market to open? Soon. Okay. Let's go Bitcoin, start pumping baby. Keep pumping Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost breaking 100k. Almost 100k. As soon as it breaks 100k, holy shit, it's gonna be a holy shit moment. Come on guys, ask me questions. I need to reply some messages. Let's go. Look at the way it's pumping. Damn. Gold, look at gold. People are frustrated right now. Why is gold doing this? This is why I say come to gold, come to crypto. It's the digital gold. If you start trading gold, Bitcoin, and if you start making money in it, you will forget gold. Gold is really good, but in the long run, not for scalping Bitcoin, this is a big thing. Exactly, the same thing came in my mind. Exactly. Look at this. There's a hidden resistance area somewhere between 99 to 100k. If it breaks, then it's going up. This thing, there's a hidden resistance area. If this breaks up, it's gonna be a huge pump. Oh shit. Easy, 105k easy. Just 17 more minutes and then stock exchange will open. Fed Kashkari bearing something really surprising on administration policy. I would expect policy rate to be modest lower at the end of a year now. Okay, Kashkari. I hate you, man. Fed Kashkari. Just when I was thinking that, where the hell are you? You're not messaging anymore. Boom, here you come out of nowhere. Soon as I thought you were dead, you're back from the dead. But it doesn't change anything. It's just gonna need to know the market risk, European and US. This is not slowing down, baby. It's not slowing down. You know what that means? You gotta pump it up. Gotta pump it up more. Okay. Let's go. Holy shit, this is money, baby. This is some serious money that I'm looking at my screen right now. Hit the like button if you made profits. Kashkari is just tweeting at a wrong moment right now. 1 like, 4 people are watching. 1 like, if I don't even say, nobody would like the stream. It's still pumping. Good. How much time left? 1 hour 43 minutes. Lots of attention. Here it goes, baby. Let's go. It wasn't that hard, was it? You just made it hard in your head. Trading is all about persistence. Keep it easy in your head and everything will be. Trading is the most hardest thing. But I see trading as a chess game. It's all psychological warfare. You keep those thoughts positive. You keep that mind trained. Trading you have to train your mind. Even the right setup will not work if that mindset is disturbed and distorted. Trust me on this one. As soon as it breaks 100k, it's a push up. I'm just waiting for the New York Stock Exchange to open. Let's switch to the New York Stock Exchange window. I mean the market scanner, sorry. Slippage of tongue. I know my chart look messy, right? But if you are someone nerdy, you would like to see what's that written. So you go just check what you call. I post these whatever you see. If you want the same chart as mine, all you need to do is go on the trading view, search my Provo Trader, and you will see I post these charts. It's absolutely free. You can copy those charts on your and then you can benefit from it. I keep on updating it, so no need to worry, I got you covered. I'm also gonna update on net gas. Net gas is something that people don't even know how to trade, and I've been getting a lot of requests. Crude oil I've been trading for 6-7 years. Net gas I recently started. It's been like half an year. I was late on it because already I'm covering too much. When I discovered net gas, I made more profit on it. Insane. But net gas is like, If you're on the wrong side and it lights up, you get burned. But my profit ratio on net gas is really good. I'm proud of that. Anyways, net gas is a secret recipe. Just let's stick with the gold, Bitcoin, Forex, and indices. I mean, if you're doing everything right, you don't need to. And I said pick two. If you're an intraday trader, pick two instruments: Bitcoin, gold, Forex, or Forex Nasdaq, or Nasdaq gold, or Nasdaq Bitcoin. Best combination I suggest is Bitcoin and Nasdaq. If Bitcoin is going up, it's due to the fact that Nasdaq is also going up. Alright, 10 minutes left for the New York Stock Exchange to open. If Nvidia, if Amazon, by the way, last night after the market close, Amazon earnings came out and it was positive, it was good. So there's a high probability that upon New York open, the market is gonna take last night news as positive and it throws the S&P 500, Nasdaq way up, and even Bitcoin up. Yes, everything APCS less 100k, BTC let's go. Yeah baby, let's go. What the hell? Where is that bubble? Yeah, you gotta pump it up, baby. Okay guys, is pumping up and just waiting for the New York Stock Exchange. 7 minutes left, and I think last night after the bell closed in New York Stock Exchange, Amazon earnings were quite positive. I think Bitcoin is gonna go above 100k, definitely. And upon receiving 400 subscribers, I will give a 1 week signal free to one individual. It either hits 400 subscribers today or tomorrow. Look at gold. Gold is back at 2870. See, I said gold is something. Look at that pump. Holy shit. $35, 34 minutes left for the candle. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes. Just wait 5 minutes. It's going up. Here it comes. Come on, break 100k. If it's unable to break 100k, then we will see a reversal. But in any case, in both cases, I think it will break. 95%, 90% chances. The reason is that it's perfect timing. Yesterday after market close, Amazon earning positive, all that negative impact of deep sea has been erased by the Wall Street. Now Wall Street is just in a recovery mood right now. In any time soon, it will start implying on that. Okay, here it goes. Gold is above 28.75. Don't be surprised. This was expected. Leave gold. We already made our profits on gold. The buy is not worth it. Trust me. The buy on Bitcoin is worth it. Because Bitcoin, you can let it run, and after a month or so, it will just keep on going up. This is Euro JPY. And wait a second, where is it? Here it is. Look at this. It will fall down. It will fall down over here. Reason this. All eyes on gold. Oh, sorry, Bitcoin. All eyes on Bitcoin. 1 minute left for the stock market to open. Let's see how the market reacts to open. Okay, having some difficulty with the smoothness of the video. Okay, we are here and the market has opened, and it looks like Nvidia is opened with a gap upward, right? Yeah, with a gap upward positive. Oh, fuck's sake.